Continuation.
Your life and the marriage.
No.
Cyril Puaso.
The Sira of...
The Sira of Cyril Puaso. The fall.
The Sira of...
Okay,
The craziness of her.
actually, the allotted time for us here is until 4
4:30.
o'clock, but it's already 4:30, so we're being crazy now.
Yeah.
And tomorrow, we
It's
are
another day.
holding a party for our beloved Jamie Del Campo.
You're the one speaking, so I am.
Tomorrow we are going to have a party
National
to,
party.
to our
Beloved.
Jamie Del Campo.
She's departing.
She's passed away last I'm just kidding. I love that bitch. Oh my god.
You love her.
Jamie Del Campo, if you're watching, I'm just kidding. I love you to death, bitch.
Yeah.
I know you're a whore, but I still love you. Whore talaga.
Yours not.
Message for Jamie Del
Message
Campo.
for Jamie.
Message for Jamie.
I message for the side Jordan.
sorry.
First, kay Jamie muna. Jamie muna.
Sige, ikaw na, ikaw na.
In English, please.
It's June 6, 2000.
You need this. I know you need this.
2008.
Mamamatay na ako. Batuin kaya natin yun.
Parang
Mamaya
ewan.
mamaya.
And there is a talkative girl behind me.
Storytelling.
Yeah. And it's
CBN.
it's my freshman year in Donut College where I senior memorial again.
Sige, ikaw na, mahaba.
And she just run after me and grab my hand and say, "Can I be your best friend?" I refuse because actually I'm the one who really asked her, but she's really the one who refused.
Okay.
Yeah.
Binaliktad mo lang.
Yeah, because in
Don't tickle me. It's tickling. Oh my God. Lalo sipon kasi.
actually I'm freezing.
Yeah, it's tama
Yeah.
sa utak. Sabay text.
Yeah.
Sabay text.
I'm just seeing the time. It's 4:53, guys.
Oh my God,
I can't believe it. Yeah. So let's move forward. That bitch.
That bitch. Isa ba?
That isang ba?
Kano na ako pa bitch kang bitch. Bitch.
Ito talaga kayo nilalamig na talaga.
Sa Jordan
I will short it. Jamie Del Campo, happy birthday. Hope you have more birthdays to come and don't forget me because I will forget you, bitch. You
You
bitch
will
again.
forget her?
I would forget a bitch like you.
For our beloved Josh.
Our beloved Josie. Who's Josie again?
Joshua.
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 Yeah.
Joshua.
I just want to say to Sai Jardinich, I love you all.
Yeah.
Motherfucker. Go.
Ano motherfucker? Ano sabihin?
Sige, ikaw muna.
Kailangan mo talaga English.
Kahit hindi.
Hindi. Japanese. Chinese.
Bisaya.
Bisaya.
Ako Monday.
Okay.
Ano sabihin ko?
First message about the birthday girl.
Birthday
Jamie Himarama. I'm so sorry, I revealed your real name. No, don't reveal my real name.
Jamie Moran.
No, it's
Jamie.
No, it's Jamie Caridad.
Benjamin ba yun?
No, it's
It's Trini from St. Joseph.
Jamie loves him. Ay, hindi. Jamie Takderan. Oh my God.
Jamie Takderan.
Jamie Gandesa.
Ganun pa to. Lagi ba natin siya yung aasarin? Message niya sa kanya.
Jamie Del Campo. I hope
I understand. We understand.
Sabi ko nyo.
We understand. We understand.
First time I saw you. I was shocked. And then, I thought.
I thought.
Then, okay na yun? Wala akong maisip eh.
Oh, sige, ikaw naman.
Ay, last na birthday na yun. Last na yun, huwag mo na ulitin yan.
Hayop.
For me, Jamie Gandesa. Junior. So, Miss Jamie Gandesa Junior.
Yes.
I know you're in heaven now.
Oh my God.
I'm happy that you're in heaven. You're not in hell. I will miss you. I'll miss your big nose.
Big nose.
Yeah. I miss everything.
Including your hair,
Yeah, your hair.
rebonded or curly.
Yeah, I love it. Your dead hair. I miss them so much. You're
dead
such,
hair.
you're such a wonderful.
Wonderful gift Satan give to us.
Yeah, you're such a wonderful gift to us. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. Pilipin niya na yun. Subukan niyo pa yun. Tinignan ko pa siya. But, I love you. Yung gift mo, binasa na namin. Papa LBC lang. Pang-aabuso mo sa akin. Okay lang. Parang naiyak ako naman. Magkita tayo sa korte. Magkita tayo sa korte.
Jamie, our last message for you. Thank you sa pang-aasar, pang-insulto, pambibitro sa amin, panlilibre kahit hindi pa.
I miss your dead hair. I miss your big nose.
And I miss your
Your big nose. Your big nose. Your big mouth. Uy, sorry. No,
peace. I love you, bitch. I
We
love
love you, girl. Hindi kami mag-prepare na ganito. Hindi kami mag-effort.
Yeah.
Hindi kami magbimukhang taga dito
Actually,
sa
mukha na kami
tropical.
tanga rito.
hindi
Gusto
na
mo
ako
makita kung gaano kami katanga rito. Kasi
Tignan mo yung mga
pinagtitinginan na kami
tao,
ng
tignan mo yung mga tao.
Actually, pinagtitinginan kami kasi
Mukha kami
Kaya tama, mukha kami tanga dito. Kaya effort na effort yan.
It's currently 5 o'clock PM na.
Uwian na. Uwian na.
Hindi pa ako pinapasok kanina sa ano.
Uwian na.
Hindi pa ako pinapasok kanina sa Robinson. Parang
Tignan
tanga.
mo, yung ipo-boost, yung
They're
ipo,
so
yung
fucking
ipo,
crazy.
yung ipa-flash ko, yung makikita mong matanda na naka-green at saka yung naka parang color black. Pinagtitinginan kami at kanina nakita namin na nagsisinyasan sila na para silang mga tanga.
That's right.
Nagdadasal si Corina.
Tignan mo yung mga tao, Jamie.
Yan, sila yan.
Nakita mo yan? Mukha pa mong tanga para sa'yo. Kaya tandaan mo yan.
Kaya pakainin mo kami ng marami.
Ito pa, tingnan mo.
Sa likod.
Wala naman masyadong tao. Baka hindi man wala sa Jamie.
Ano ba yun?
Bye.
bye! Bye!
Bye. Happy birthday.
Bye, bye.
Bye, bitch!
Tapos di pa na siya.
Uy, paano to?
Okay na, stop.
Panoorin nga na.
9 minutes? 10 minutes?
Panoorin na.
Umiikot
Uy!
pa rin ulit.
May ikot pa rin, huy. Uy, nasobrahan. Ay, nakalak kasi.